Hey there, budget buddies. If you're drowning in debt and looking for a lifeline, YNAB. That's You Need a Budget. Has some fantastic tools to help you pay it off smarter and faster. In this video, we'll dive into the debt payoff features that make YNAB a game changer for getting out of the red. First off, why use YNAB for debt? It's all about giving every dollar a job, so you can prioritize your debts without the overwhelm. Let's get started with the basics. Once you're logged into your YNAB account, head over to the Categories section. Here, you'll create specific categories for each of your debts, like credit cards, student loans, or medical bills. The key is to be detailed. This helps you track exactly where your money is going. Next, YNAB's Debt Payoff Plan feature is a lifesaver. It lets you choose between methods like the debt snowball, where you tackle smallest debts first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche, focusing on high-interest debts to save money long-term. Now, assigning funds is where the magic happens. In your budget, allocate money from your income to these debt categories. YNAB will show you real-time progress, so you can see your debts shrinking month by month. Don't forget to use the Age of Money tool. It tracks how long your dollars have been sitting around, encouraging you to use fresh money for payments and avoid old funds. One pro tip. Set up notifications for when a debt category is fully funded, so you can celebrate those milestones. And if life throws a curveball, YNAB's flexible budgeting lets you adjust on the fly without derailing your plan. By now, you should feel empowered to crush your debt with YNAB's intuitive features. Remember, consistency is key. Check in weekly and tweak as needed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's turn that debt into history together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.